Linearity. Definition. Linearity is the property of mathematical relationship that can be graphically represented as a straight line. Graphical representation of linearity. Here we can see the graph between peak area and calcium propionate concentration. Ability to obtain test results that are directly proportional to the concentration of analyte in samples with a given range y is equal to mx plus c. For establishment of linearity, minimum 5 concentrations are recommended. Linearity results should be established by appropriate statistical methods. In this example, maximum 7 concentrations containing different concentrations of ketotifen fumarate in tablets were assayed using HPLC. Parameters. The following parameters should be recommended. First, correlation coefficient. Linearity of calibration curve is usually expressed through coefficient of correlation R or coefficient of determination. A correlation coefficient dose close to unity r is equal to 1 is considered sufficient evidence to conclude that the calibration curve is linear. Second, y-intercept, that is c. Sy denotes the SD of response, y for blanks or around expected LOD limit of detection, and a for the slope of linear calibration line. Third, slope of regression line, that is m. Slope of calibration curve can be used to estimate the detection limit of the assay 3 times the standard deviation value of the response corresponding to the blank according to equation 1 obtained for several determinations divided by the slope of calibration line. LOD is equal to 3.3 into SY upon A. Now, needness of linearity. Here we can see the difference between non-linear approach and linear approach. Needness of linearity. From the above graphical representation of the non-linear and linear, we can definitely say that the linear case we need only one variable value and the other variable value can be accurately determined. But in case of non-linear, we cannot accurately determine the other variable's value even when one of the variables value is known. Role of linearity in analytical method validation. The linearity of an analytical method is its ability to elicit test results that are directly proportional to the concentration of the analyte in the sample within a given range. This is why to check the proportionality of the result with concentrations, it is necessary to justify the linearity between lower concentration and upper concentration. Definition of some parameters related to linearity. Lower concentration. LOQ is the lower concentration, that is starting point of linearity in the analytical method validation. Upper concentration. Cmax value is the upper concentration of the linearity in analytical method validation, but it may be lower according to available quantity of the analyze in the sample. Cmax is the pharmacokinetic term. It is the maximum or peak serum concentration that an analyte achieves in a specified test area of the body after the absolute has been administered. Justification of linearity. The state and direction of the linearity relationship between two variable quantities is termed as correlation coefficient. It is denoted by r. Mathematically, it is expressed as r square, that is square of r, which is called coefficient of determination, ranges from 0 to 1. The range of r square denotes how straight the line is. Accepted value of r square is not less than 0.95. Thank you.